Hello teacher, my name is Magli Ardila. We can say that we are living in a new world governed by the technology and the telecommunication. Today our world spins around our electronic devices. Some years ago we just dreamed with the achievements and they use things I watch video calls and download information are amazing. Our generation is suffering the consequence of the environmental damage and the destruction of our environment. This damage was created by our ancestors. They didn't care about the harmful effects in the environment. The human crash made us smarter by the price of our development was too high. To cut distances with cars, cheap, one airplane report war air. The industry made easier our life, but it destroyed our rivers and seas with harmful chemicals and many hazardous wastes. I think that the new technology has the potential to save our world, just we if we use it in the right way. The new technology must to use clean energies as the solar energy and the rising of many materials to create useful things and to reduce the trash. We don't try the safe planet. Our horrible food is waiting for us. A future with a natural rose, a future with good, clean water and pure air. So, three of war is the sad to turn about their world, our life, hopeless planet. The new Jewers has the responsibility to fix what changing our mind and our lifestyle. A new life, protein, environment, losing less plastic and chemicals. The after energies can replace the fuels and to clean the air tool is clean material like glass and aluminum. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.